Seeing it as an opportunity for the players. I think it's we representing Chelsea helps a lot to performance, and that's what the players need to focus on.
How bored would it be like for you? Because you're coming up against one of the best coaches in the world as well. In Klopp, suddenly you've gone, being a coach here, to suddenly being thrust into a home game against Liverpool.
Obviously, pure admiration towards Jurgen. I think I can't say anything that everyone knows. Obviously, they're going through a tough season as well, but they've got top players. We're expecting a really aggressive game, high intensity, and we need to be ready.
You say you spoke to Graham about 5 minutes ago. Can you share at all what was said there?
No, it's just being really supportive. I think more the call was to say hello to all of you.
Well, good luck tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, John. Last question in this section today, Ocean.
Bruno, you've been coaching for 4 years now since retiring. I mean, how big of a challenge is this for you to take on this job?
nice, wash up, guys. You gotta take care of stuff. That's how you have it last year. You take care of your stuff. So drive car now, clean car. Alright. I could do this while I'm driving through that thing. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. Oh, it's hot in here. Turn on the AC. Cheap, yeah, and all if you pan belly. Anytime I'm ready. How you doing, bro? Yeah. I mean, I know it's probably a different club, but the thing is, I bought a pack of these and I don't know where I put the other two. It came in 3. So I'm gonna have to find that. Not sure if it's in the house or in the trunk or whatever, but it's somewhere. Yeah. I'm getting the cheapest.
Tonight, sir?
Yeah, I take it up. The cheapest wash cuts.
Tap for you.
Thank you so much.
Y'all gonna go, sir?
Alright, thank you. Yeah, they have $10, $16, and $20. And the last time I washed this car, I washed the car like tonight, and then tomorrow morning I woke up regretting. Because it's very windy here in Texas, guys. Which actually sucks, because, you know, you wash your car, you expect your car to be clean, and then by next morning, looks like I didn't wash it, so. But yeah, I hope this is tilled properly, but it's harder for me. Yeah, I get the drift. Yeah, I get the drift. Yeah, I got the drift. Oh, yeah, this shit sucks. So hopefully we can get a good wash, bro, cause this is the scary part. You can't see nothing at all. So while this drive through right here, I'm gonna go ahead with these wipes. Go ahead with these wipes, and I'm gonna clean on the inside. unburden if you can wipe off the car. You see what I mean? I spend all my money, bro. Now wipe off the car properly, bro. I'm gonna move till I can wipe it off. Like, mad thing still, man. I pull up right there, so. Finish the wipe it off. If I have to wipe it off myself, no problem. Some of y'all gonna say, oh.
That's what you get for being cheap, bro.
But I learned my lesson. It's not my first time coming to this car wash. So I learned my lesson. Why am I gonna just buy the highest wash they got? And I was like, okay, this is it. You know? Because I'm gonna really get much. So that's why I'm like, I get the same thing for when I go cheap. Oh yeah, I'm just here wiping out these pockets right here, so go have a nice clean car. But guess what? If it's one thing I can say about Jamaican schooling system in Jamaica, right? Compared to America. I'm not sure, I've never been to school in America, but you see Jamaica, when I go to business class in Jamaica, a matter of fact, down to the simplest teaching of business in Jamaica is what we call it, principle of business, where they teach you about the principle of business, right? Where they teach you about supply and demands and all of these things, and you know, down to the simplest of business. That's the teaching you got in POB, principle of business. So yeah, where you understand, where you will start, the customer come first, you know. When you're in a business, always remember the customer come first, customer service come first, which I don't think a lot of these business, whether it's a big business or a small business in America, I don't think it's been taught over here, bro. Because sometimes you've been spending your money with people and you get suck service. Service not good. Like, it doesn't matter the institution or the facility or wherever. Some people just like to do bad business with people, and that is just a big turn off. But it's like it designed that way, the way, you know. It's either you have to work with it or you just go around it type shit. But yeah, guys, not everything is perfect, and you know, sometimes you have to create your own happiness out of certain things. But the one thing with me, I don't like when people feel like they can use the head against me, because I'm a real straight up person, and I don't really try to, I don't really like to I don't try to, what should I say, finesse people or scam people. You know, anything me I do, whether it's I'm doing a particular job or whatever, or if I'm hired to do something, I try to get the job done correctly, and you know, when it's pay time, you pay me properly. Yeah, but some people is just, yeah, some people just like to be difficult. And we're gonna I think I got elaborate more upon that in our next video, where I will explain some stuff. Guys. Sorry. Just trying to get this car speaker and spark. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm trying to get the car speaker and spark. Clean, clean, clean. You know what I'm saying? Shamai, I'm not using Shamai now. I mean, the mirror don't look too bad from inside. What y'all think? It look pretty clear, just yeah. You see those little spot one I can see. And if you find that cloth, the other cloth like this, and then try to see if I can deal with it. But for now, guys, I'm gonna try and head back home, catch up with y'all.
The next day.
So guys, this is Zion chair. I'm trying to get Azora a pink chair just like this, cause Azora's birthday is coming up. And guess what? Yeah, so that chair, that blue chair, I bought it for Zion at Walmart. So now I'm trying to get Azora a pink chair. I walk in the store and I didn't see any pink one, so they said I could go online and get it scrubbed. I know I'm online and they only offered me 2 chairs. I don't see any single pink chairs, so now I'm gonna have to purchase 2 chairs, which is, I don't think that's a smart idea, but I want my girl to get a chair, so I'm probably gonna have to do it. So who knows, we're probably gonna have to do it on China.
I mean, looked on Amazon, so they didn't have it.
Yeah, I could give it away.
Yeah.
Give it to a lucky little girl. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how some stuff is kind of complicated, you know? Simple stuff like, could just get a simple chair, or even this blue chair here, they should have gave you the option to at least change the color. But yeah, I don't know what's up with that Walmart, but yeah. When you don't check out the card. I gotta try to get something different.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I really want this though. Put some balloons in there.
This is what I'll be talking about. You get the hair done the next 2 days after you like pop.
Because it's like when you sweat, it itches.
Yeah, but that's what I'm looking at without all that, cause.
Oh my goodness.
What type of products
So
I'm
where's all this? Where's all the outfits I had in my cart for Zoya? Some other options. This is crazy.
Okay, guys. What you say you want me to pick up for you?
Oh.
Guys, right now I am freaking pissed. I am pissed right now, guys. I noticed I washed the car yesterday, and right now the weather is really sucks. I mean, Mother Nature do its thing, you know. Can't complain when God do certain things. Just have to work around it. But I washed the car clean yesterday, and then the car full of dust, you know. So I'm just waste money again. That happened the last time I washed the car. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the weather, guys. The sky look very pure dust. It's like a dust storm. I even checked the weather yesterday before I even decided to wash the car. But I still went ahead and wash it, because trust me, I hate to see the car dirty. But yeah, you know, to me, I feel like I'm wasting money. But it's whatever. Right now I'm heading on the road to see My wife asked me to pick up something for her. She buy, and I'm gonna pick it up curbside. So I'm gonna take her with me. And also, like I said, it's Azora's birthday coming up, the 15th of April. Today's the 4th actually. I already got her something already for her birthday, and her grandma getting her something. So yeah, I just wanna be prepared for her birthday gift. I don't wanna do like what I did on Christmas, rushing and getting stuff that you know what rush can do. You just get whatever. But yeah, I'm thinking about stuff that she actually might need and stuff that I really want to get her. So I'm trying to be as early as I can with her gifts. And yeah, so I'm gonna head on the road right now, and I'm gonna take her with me. I just followed with me. Guys, so look at the weather. I don't know if y'all could see, but it's a dust storm. It is really brown. The sky look brown. And yeah, I don't really enjoy it much. But yeah, just gotta work with Mother Nature, you know. Can't complain. But for right now, I'm showing you something. See if I can zoom this up. Zoom on, bro. Y'all see that? Yeah. Hey guys. So that is Texas weather for y'all. But I'ma head out and do what I gotta do and come back. Car to run by itself. Someone have to run down in car the while. I know that scratch up a whole vehicle. In favor I left this right and come back and see a scratch on a problem in a Babylon. You see me? Bro, y'all gotta be, bro, some people not thinking, bro. Not even when I blow, me not let go my car. Cause I know say, yo, you can roll away and hit someone's vehicle or whatever, or even hit your own vehicle. But some people just don't think, bro. Some people just do stuff, bro. No matter how old are you, it's like you never learn, grow and learn. Like, damn, bro. And if, leave my car here and then you come back, you see a dent on your vehicle and stuff like that. Look where you put the cart. You put the cart so close that it's easily to roll back. You park the car, you park the trolley and then, fuck, man. Some people just difficult. But yeah, I'm gonna walk inside, I'm gonna grab some stuff. I already picked up my wife's stuff. What she need, I don't know if I should show it on camera, but yeah. I already picked it up, but I'm gonna walk inside to get a little bit of grocery because I wanna cook some soup. I wanna cook some chicken foot soup. I already have some chicken foot, but I wanna grab some little seasoning and them thing there. You do me? Some chocho and them thing there again. No soup. I have a piece of pumpkin from video, I'm sure no, so yeah. Alright. That's how I do the right thing. So I'll catch y'all when I get back. Alright guys, just back in Chelsea versus Liverpool. Nasty them up. Felix. What's that? What's that goal there? Yeah guys, I ain't gonna lie, this game is an emotional one. Good to see Angola Kante back in the midfield alongside Kovacic and Enzo Fernandez, Chilwell, Reece James back in our side to see him. Yeah, so just there. Them some pizza.
Azoria is strong.
Yes, she is.
It's hot and it's like steaming her and she's sleeping.
I'm gonna get her hot. Eat some pizza. Mama, you drop a pizza? Yeah, man, I'm a joker. Alright, guys. I'll go ahead and enjoy much. Azor and Zion right there eating their pizza. Azor look like she's more interested in the pizza than Zion. Azor don't play with food. I'm super hungry, guys. Because as usual, I always skip breakfast. Which is not a good thing to do. Don't follow me and skip breakfast. I always have breakfast in the morning. Don't do like me. But yeah. Do I watch much? I'm gonna turn on back the camera when Chelsea start lead 2-0. See ya. Well done, my side. Bro. Goal, say goal, Sam. Say goal. Goal, Chelsea score goal. Oh no, I don't want to thief that one at all. Watch out your ass. You know, good. Handball, bro. You know, I have to go start watch tennis or some volleyball or some other sport. I don't know what kind of crosses I follow my side, yo. Watch out. Tipping man, I'm tipping a man face, watch out. Watch a goal there. Nasty them up, Kante. Move a little Kanate. Check your ass. I'm not things to there. Ah, say nothing. Let's watch your rapture. Mad boy. Yeah, and the curse continues. Can't score a goal to save our lives, so yeah. 11th place. Alright. So guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end this vlog, and hope y'all having an amazing week, and see y'all in the next video. Peace. Oh, by the way, yeah, I heard when I said we cannot score goals, so yeah, the game ended at 0-0, which I'm quite disappointed about, yeah. Zion is here being grumpy because he's sleepy. So see y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.